Hello! In front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have the brightness icon, the one with the sun on it. Tap on this icon, and here we can adjust the brightness of the screen by swiping left and right on the slider, as you can see. Set the brightness level to your liking, and then you can press the side button to go back, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.